Hi, my name's Anupa and I've created the project Unmasked Voices, which is currently showing at the Royal Society of Medicine Library. Please come and enjoy viewing portraits of current NHS staff and also pieces of artwork related to John Keats' life. So my interest in healthcare really came from, the fact that I come from a medical family. My brother's a consultant neurologist and my father's a retired general practitioner, so I've always had an interest in healthcare. And in a previous life, I also have done a PhD in health economics so I have a strong interest in the NHS as well. I'm actually a member of the RSM and I've used the library for several years, and I used it to write up my PhD thesis some years ago. I've always found the space really inspiring, and it's been a real pleasure to be able to combine an artistic project with a medical background as well. Two items in the Keats exhibition that come from the RSM collections, which are really interesting. So one is an ENT surgical piece of apparatus, which is made of brass, and the other is a medical box that is from the 19th century. And I've incorporated those elements into the exhibition, which I think work really well and bring out some of the feelings that I wanted to bring out in the show. Other pieces include artworks that I've made in response to Keats's philosophies and letters, and there are also historical, literary and biographical elements incorporated into the exhibition. The exhibition commences at the library reception and then continues into the first room of the library on the first floor, and then the final room is on the second floor of the library. And don't forget to enjoy some mindful mandala colouring in the last room of the exhibition.